the BME Design Lab. Here, we are going to learn how to use the MakerBot, a rapid prototyping machine which you can use to print the prototypes for your design projects. To get started, first, turn on the MakerBot main switch located on the right side of the machine. Next, there is an on-off switch located on the lower right side of the MakerBot. When you switch the MakerBot on, there will be a sound which indicates that it's turned on. You will notice that the screen is turned on. Use the cursor and proceed to preheat. Hit enter. Choose the extruder which you want to use and ensure that the platform is also on. Once you have selected them, hit start preheat. Make sure that the temperature matches for both the extruder which you are using and the platform. So now, after that you have preheated the MakerBot, what you need to do now is leveling. You always note to level only after the MakerBot has preheated. This is to make sure that you get the best position of the board just before you start your print job. So, how do you go to level build plates? Press the left button. Now go to Utilities, enter, and go to Level Build Plate. There will be instructions shown on the screen as the platform moves and the extruder center on the plate. Note the instructions over here and click enter to proceed on. So, the leveling process involves the extruders moving to 5 different positions onto the plate. There are screws at the bottom of the platform, which you can use to either shift the platform up or down. First, use the name card, put it on the platform, and slide it across the extruder and the platform. You will notice that there will be a little resistance as you slide through. If there is too much resistance, such that your cut doesn't go through, that means that the plate is too high, you need to lower it. If you do not feel any resistance and the cut goes clean through, then the plate is too low and you need to raise it. So, as you can see, there is just enough free play between the extruder and the platform. After we are satisfied with our first position, hit the center button such that the extruder moves to the back. At this portion, be careful as you check the leveling because the plate is hot at 120 degrees. So same thing, as you shift the name card across. Now I feel that there is too much resistance, so I'm going to lower the plate a little. Whenever you level the plate, make sure that you use small movements. Now there is too much free play. So for this, there is just slight resistance on both extruders, so I shall proceed on to the next position. When the extruders move to the extreme right side and extreme left side of the plate, it is common to see that there is too much free play in between. That is why we always center our workpiece onto the center portion, center column of the MakerBot platform. This a little. This is always So the three most important positions to always ensure that it's level is the center front, the center middle, and the center back. Once you're satisfied with these three positions, hit the MakerBot button again, and your MakerBot is all prepped to start printing. So now going back to the laptop.
First, select the MakerBot desktop icon. Next, take your STL file, drag and drop it into the MakerBot desktop. If a warning appears, click Move to Platform to move your workpiece to the platform. In the left column, double-click the position icon. Check on Position and Center to center your workpiece on the platform. Next, rotate your workpiece and click Lay Flat to position it onto the platform again. Next, choose your extruder with the filament which you want. For this, we'll be using the left extruder, which is printing in a black filament. Double check that your workpiece is on the platform and centered. In Settings, check under ABS Standard, the replicator, that the raft and support bridges are all unchecked. Now you are ready to print your workpiece.
That is how you print using the MakerBot. Remember, in this lab, safety is our #1 priority. Never leave your workpiece unattended, and always remember to tie your hair if you have long hair. I'm Joel, and thank you for your attention. Now this side got touch. This side also got touch already. Wow, basket. This leveling eye zai. Wow, but the center too hard. KKJ.
Yeah, saying it. Shit.
What am I supposed to say?